Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a gift card from Amazon. This is particularly useful if you've already used up a gift card balance or simply want to declutter your payment methods for easier checkout. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management options. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. On the account page, look for the option labeled Your Payments and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment information, including credit cards, debit cards, and gift cards. It's your central hub for managing how you pay for items on the platform. Now, although I don't currently have any gift cards added to my account, I'm going to walk you through what you'll see next. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll notice a list of all your saved payment methods. This is where any active gift cards will appear alongside your other payment options. Locate the specific gift card you want to remove from this list. Each payment method will have its own entry, making it easy to identify which one you need to work with. Once you've found the gift card, look for a downward arrow icon positioned next to it. This arrow is a drop-down button that reveals additional options for managing that particular payment method. Click on the downward arrow, and a small menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select the option that says Remove. This action tells Amazon that you want to delete this gift card from your saved payment methods. After clicking Remove, Amazon will display a pop-up window asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. In this confirmation window, click on Confirm Remove to finalize the process. And that's it. The gift card has been successfully removed from your Amazon account, and it will no longer appear in your list of payment methods. This keeps your payment options organized and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.